name is Emerson Amelio. We have a restaurant called Oliveira Kitchen in Shoreditch, in the heart of London, cooking plant-centric food. I'm obsessed with asparagus. I have 3 dishes in a menu of asparagus. I started a main and a dessert. When I came from Brazil to this country, it was the most exotic vegetable that I ever seen. Every year when the asparagus season comes in, I create several dishes with it. I'm fascinated about it. So I have a starter with green asparagus, a main course with white asparagus, and a dessert with the purple asparagus. So you're gonna see the green asparagus dish, which with confit tomatoes and carrot mousse that I cook with cupuaçu, which is a fruit, again, from the Amazon forest. So I'm always bringing a new flavor, a new ingredient from South America, and then mix it with the local produce to create something unique in a way. The dish that we are showing is white asparagus. So you have the celeriac and graviola puree, a smoked potato mousse, a little bit of lemon thyme on the top, and black truffle. We are in the middle of the asparagus season. So these white asparagus come from the Loire Valley in France. And in a couple of weeks, they will start to come from Germany, which is said to be the best white asparagus in the world. Not a lot of countries or farmers tackle this vegetable. It's very, very tricky to grow them. So when they are in season, every year, I'm a little bit obsessed with asparagus, so every year I try to do something with it. So I create different dishes. This time around, I'm serving it with black truffle, which my colleague just took it from there. Thank you very much. We are serving it with black truffle, and we do a celeriac puree with graviola. Graviola is a fruit from the Amazon forest that matches really well with celeriac and give that zesty and sourness, pleasant sourness to the dish. White asparagus is quite bitter, so you need to soften that bitterness with something that contrasts it but doesn't overpower. You want that bitterness, but you don't want it to be too rich. Graviola and celeriac does that job quite well. This is the celeriac puree with graviola. This is a smoked potato mousse. We do it using smoked butter and a little bit of black truffle. This is called lemon thyme. It's really nice and fragrant, especially when they are freshly cut. And this is our dish: white asparagus with smoked potato mousse, graviola and celeriac puree, and black truffle. So you've got all your elements in there. You have the umami, the protein, you have the salt, the slightly aromatic, and a little bit of the sour all together, and the right level of acidity without being overpowering. We created this dish as, in my perception, the best way to serve asparagus.